Hello everyone. Now what we have to do, you have to take the sheet, the plastic sheet like this bubble wrap sheet, and then on the top of it, what you have to do, you have to get the cutouts of a sheet of paper, and on it you have to paste it further. Now color it in this manner of green color, and it is ready. Now what you have to do, you have to take the shells like this, and in between you have to put it in this manner, arrange it like this, and then get the beautiful lovely leaves in this way, and it's your drawing is definitely ready. Now take the bushes like this. Let's see what are we going to do next. You have to just spread it further, make it look like this. Again with the help of the watercolor, what you have to do, you have to make it look like this, and let's see what are we going to do. Yes, you have created two beautiful ostriches, then further decorated by making dots and all. Pretty, right? Now what you have to do, you have to get the cutouts like this of branches in this way. Now with the help of these straws, these colorful straws, you have to cut it further, and then you have to make the shapes like this. One over the other, you have to get a beautiful shape in this way, then fold it further, get it rotated, and your flowers are ready. Now you have to paste it further, and your drawing is super amazing. Thank you guys.